In this episode we will talk on vegetarian cooking for everyone. Cooking vegetarian food is indeed one of the easiest things to learn. Even those who fear boiling water or cooking dishes will find vegetarian food very interesting and easy to prepare. It not only has high nutritional value but also vegetarian cooking is easy for everyone. For individuals who are vegan and are fond of cooking gourmand dishes, there are enormous opportunities to explore and find. There are a huge number of Epicurean vegan recipes that an individual can cook in varied places and situations. You just need to seek prospects to do so, but there are a few recommendations to offer regarding to tasty vegetarian food preparation. Initially we begin by defining an epicure meal. Now the question arises that is this feasible? In reality, a gourmand meal is a special meal devoid of meat or spaghetti, and it includes converting interesting and rare elements into a masterpiece dishes that are not only delicious but also remarkable in appearance. Evidently, gourmet can be explained by many people in many various ways. But cooking a gourmet vegan food entails enough talent. It requires one to put a lot of flavor and ability to convert simple ingredients to artistic creations. So, what must an individual know in order to cook a gourmand vegetarian meal? If they have been a lacto-vegetarian for rather some time, they might want to refer to ideas about what one likes to consume and how one can induce innovativeness to make it unusual and delicious as well as mouth-watering. If people are novel to vegetarian style of cooking, the best process is to bear in mind the type of gourmet meals they have had before. It is very true that almost each and every one of us has had vegetarian meals. One must always look out for ways one can shun out the meat portion in the dish, while still maintaining intact the essence. With a little mind and resourcefulness, this can be made possible. We know almost all can. An individual can find enormous and diverse recipe books that are out and out devoted to gourmand vegetarian style of cooking in their local bookstore, on several websites, and online. Surf for cooking methods that contain constituents that fascinate all and then try the recipe. Many will not be able to cook a gourmet vegetarian feast if they start from anywhere. But by stringently following the instructions, you can avert a gastronomic failure. Cooking a gastronome meal can be a real adventurous and rejuvenating thing that a person never does as a vegan chef. A lot of people believe the vegetarian way of life comprises of perplexity and inquisitiveness. When one can easily demonstrate that catering a vegetarian banquet that is Epicurean, striking, and yummy, they may just wave them toward their side of the boundary, but don't struggle very hard. Being a lacto-vegetarian isn't for one and all. The finest things people can do is to cook with their heart and stay proper to their dedication of living a vegetarian style of living, which signifies cooking foodie meals that savor like they have mutton when they actually do not have any meat content. On our next video we will talk about the low-carb vegetarian. If this video has helped you, don't forget to like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We are helping you live a healthier life.